Hello everyone, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. I am Vallavi Kaikwad and here I am back to teach you math subject. So students, open Canopy, page number 41. So students, in last period, as we have seen that place value, we saw how the place value it is. Just we will do once again revision. Now see, we had seen the place value of 2 digits number first. Now we can count the bits. Count these bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 bits. Means 5 tens. So what will be the place value of this 5? 5 tens. So the place value of 5 is 5 tens or 5. Okay. Then second one, ones. How many bits are in ones column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ones. So what is the place value of 9? It is 9 ones or 9. Okay. The place value of 2 digit we had seen this, that is 5 tens or 5. Place value of 5 bits, say 5 is 5 tens or 5, then ones. Place value of 9 is 9 ones or 9. 5 tens or 50. Sorry. See here. Place value of 5 tens is 5 tens or 50. Then 9 is 9 ones or 9. Okay, in this we have seen 2 digit numbers. Then now we will see 3 digits place value and face value. Now see 3 digits place value. Now you can see in the hundreds place there are 3 bits. In tens place there are 7 bits. And in ones place there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Means this total is 379. Okay. Now we will see the place value of 379. So now see in hundreds column how many bits are there? 3 bits are there. Okay. So the place value of 3 is 300s or 300. The place value of 3 is 300s or 300. Okay, the place value of 3 is 300s or 300. Then the place value of 7. Now 7 is in tens column. So the place value of 7 is 7 tens or 70. Then in ones column 9 is there. How many ones are there? 9. Now see here, 9's place value is 9 ones or 9. 9 ones or 9. In this way, in the last chapter, previous period, we had seen how to know the place value. Okay, now we shall solve the exercise. So, exercise 6. Now see here children, the place value of these digits in the number. Now 1 in 715. Okay. Now we want to write the place value of 1. They have asked the place value of 1. Now you can see 7 is in which place? Hundreds place. 1 is in tens place and 5 is in ones place. So what will be the place value of 1? Yes, 1 tens or 10. Good. 1 tens or 10. Write down with me children. 1 tens or 10. The place value of 1 is 1 tens or 1. Okay. Now see next B1. 0 in 903. the 0 tens means what is the tens? 0 means the place value is 0 only. The place value is 0 only. No number, no tens means 0. 0 tens. Now see C1. 3 in 936 means 3 in 9 hundreds, 3 tens, 6 ones. Now this is in which place? Tens place. So 3 tens or 30. 3 tens or 30. The place value of 3 is 3 tens or 30. Then D1. Now see here. 3 is in hundreds place. Okay. 365. So now 3 is in hundreds place, 6 is in tens place and 5 is in ones place. So what is the place value of 3? Yes, 300s or 300. 300s or 300. Take down this, children, with me in your textbook. Write down. Now next is 700 in 792. Now we want to write the place value of 7. Now 7 is in which place? Correct. It is in hundreds place. So 700s or 700. Then now 2 in 372. Now see, we have seen 300s, 7 tens, 2 ones. Now this 2 is in ones place. So what will be the place value of 2? 2 ones or 2. Good. 2 ones or 2. Because it is in ones place. Write down first. Now see here. 0 in 290. Now this 200s, 9 tens and 0 ones. Now 0 ones means nothing. So 0 ones or 0. Now 4 in 524. Now we want to tell the place value of 4. 500s, 2 tens, 4 ones. So 4 ones or 4. 4. Now 5 in 500. What is the 500 means? We want to write 5's place value. So 5 is in hundreds place, 0 is in tens place and 1 also is in 0 is also in ones place. So 500s or 5. 500s or 500. Then 8. Now we can see 8 in 600s, 1 tens, 8 ones. Now what is the place value of 8? 8 ones or 8. Understood, children? Now see, repeat after me. 1 in 715, that is we want to write the place value of 1. So the place value of 1 is 1 tens or 10. Okay. Now B1. 0 in 903 means 0 is in tens place. Now 0 tens means nothing. So the place value will be 0 tens. Then 3 in 936. The place value of 3 is 3 tens or 30. Then D, 3 in 365. Now this 3, we want to write the place value of 3. So we wrote what? 3 is in hundreds place. So 3 hundreds or 300. Then F1, 7 in 792. Here we want to write the place value of 7. So 700s or 700. Then G1, 2 in 372. So this 2 is in which place? Ones place. So 2 ones or 2. Then 0 is in ones place. So 0 ones or 0. Then 4 in 524. Then 4 is in which place? Ones place. So 4 ones or 4. Now 5 in 500 is 500s or 500. Then 8 is in which column? Ones column. So 8 ones or 8. Write down this. Now see E1. Now tell me children, 7 in 673. Now we want to write the place value of 7. What will be the place value? It is in which place? Tens place. Yes. Then 7 tens or 70. 7 tens or 70. Okay, then now 5 in 655. We want to write place value of 5. Now 5 is in which place? Tens place. Okay, 5 is in tens place. So 5 tens or 50. Then 8 in 826. Now 8 is in which place? Hundreds place. 8 is in hundreds place, 2 is in tens place and 6 is in ones place. So 8 hundreds or 8 hundreds or 800. Then 9 in 974. 9 is in hundreds place. So 900s or 900. Take down these children. Finish writing. Okay, now turn the page. Page number 42. So children, as we had seen in first lesson, okay, missing numbers. Before, what are the missing numbers? 2 and 4. Between 2 and 4, what is the missing number? 3. Okay, this was one digit numbers. This was one digit missing numbers. Like in this way we have seen 2, then missing number is, what is the missing number of 2 and 4 between this? 3. This we have seen in one digit. Okay, this one digit we have seen missing numbers. Then afterwards 2 digit also we saw 25, 27. What is the missing number of 25 and 27? Between this is 26. We have seen this in the first chapter. Okay, missing number of 1 digit and 2 digit. Now we are going to see missing number of 3 digit. Now see, come on, write with me children. 101. Now 101 means 102. Then after 102, 103. Then 104. What will come next? Yes. Yes, correct. 105. Then 106. 107. 108. 109. Okay. See here. 101. They had given first 101 up to 110. So you want to write the missing numbers. What are the missing numbers? Come on, repeat after me. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. Come on, write in your textbook. Okay. Then after 10, 110, what will come after 110? 111. Okay, then after 111, yes, correct, 112. Yes, then next 113. Then 14 is given here. We are written missing numbers. After 110, we have written 111, 112, 113. Then 114 is given. Then 115, 116, 117, 118, then 119, 120. Okay, now repeat after me, come on. 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. Write down first. Then after 20, 120, what will come children? Yes, 121. So here they have given 121. Okay. Then now what we will write? We will write 125. No. We will write 130. No. Then what we will write? 122. Correct. We will write 122. Then 123. Then 124. Then 125. 126. Then 127. Then 128. Then 129. And last is 130. 130. Write down this. Repeat after me. 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130. Now children, tell me 130. After 130 what will come? 135 will come. 135? No. Then 138? No. Then what will come? Yes, 131. So write down 131. Then after 131, 132. Yes, then after 133, 134. Then after this, 135. Then after 135, 136. Then after 136, 137. Then 138 is given. 139. Then what will come? 139. After 139, 150 will come. 151. No. What will come? 140. Yes, correct. So 140. Come on, repeat after me. 131. Okay. 132. 133. 134. 135. 136. 137. 138. 139 and 140. Write down this, children. Now after 140 what will come? Yes, correct. 141. Write down this. 141. Then after 141, yes, 142. Then 143. Then 144. Then 145. Then 146. Then 147, it is given. Okay, already it is there. Then after 147, 148. Then 149. Now what will come after 149? 160. Okay, or 171. Okay, 150. Now repeat after me. 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150. Okay children, now shall we repeat again one more time this much? For today, this much only we will see. Okay, so do this only revision. Come on, repeat after me. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. Now 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. So next 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130. Then 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140. Then 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150. Okay students, so what we had learned today? First we have seen the place value of 3-digit numbers. Okay, we have solved the exercise number 6. So do it, practice, and also we had seen the missing numbers. Okay, up to from 101 to 150. So in next period we shall see from 151 to 200. So whatever has happened today, just go through it. Okay, thank you.